Hi everyone, my name is Paritoj Chaudhary. Today's our TA3 activity for digital electronics topic is design and implementation of binary to BCD. These are the group members' name. Today's outline will be introduction, truth table, K-map and circuit diagram. Introduction. BCD is a binary coded decimal number. In BCD, each digit of the decimal number is represented by its equivalent binary number. That means LSB of a decimal number is represented by its equivalent binary number, and similarly another higher significance bits of a decimal number are also represented by their equivalent binary number. For example, BCD coded is 14. If we consider here in binary 0001, we can similarly write it as 1 in decimal number system, and 0100 is represented as 4 in normal decimal number system. This is our truth table. Now we are going to see its truth table. This column represent binary code, this column represent decimal number, and this column represent BCD code. Now 0 to 9 by BCD code is similar to its binary code, and when we move on to 2-digit number, it's totally changed. Only one bit is changed, and remaining are similar to its above digits, such as 1. Here we are going to take 10 number example. 10 number is divided into two parts, 1 and 0. 0 is represented as 4 times 0, and here we are going to achieve this BCD code for decimal number of 10.
So now for K-map we need to find the equation for 4 inputs to 5 outputs. So here we are going to take one example of 10. So here we have 4 inputs, and for drawing the K-map we need equation. So as we can see that B4, we are going to take the example of B4. B4 up till 9 it is 0 because the binary numbers are same to the BCD code. But after 9, when it comes to 2-digit number, it has 1. So we are going to take the equation for B4. Therefore, E is equal to summation of small m in bracket from 10 to 15. So we will write, we have 1. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is the equation for B4. Now we are going to implement it in the K-map for B4. Now we are going to implement it for the K-map of B4. So this is the K-map for B4. Here what we got, the equation was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we are going to put 1 on this number. So here we go. It is so we are going to add 1 on these numbers, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we are going to take it. It is 1 and 2. So for the equation B4 is equal to, here we can see that we have 1 here, one for A and AB. So is equal to AB plus, and here we have 1 for here B and C. So BC. So this is this is how we draw the K-map for binary to BCD conversion. Similarly, we have all the K-maps for all the outputs. Like we will take one more example. Like we have B3. B3 has output 1 for, we can see here only for we can see here 1, 2 and only for 2. So for B3 we have equation E is equal to summation of small m. It is so we have only for 8 and 9. So 8, 9. So we are going to see Here we have the K-map for B3. As we know, we have output for 8 and 9. Hence, it is if we have output for 8 and 9, so B3 is equal to. So here for A we have A, one output, and for B it is 0. So we have taken B bar, and for C also it is 0. So we have taken C bar. So the equation is B3 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. Similarly, we have got all the outputs by making the equations of K-map through the truth table, and hence we can say that these are the K-maps who are binary to BCD code converter. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are here to discuss the circuit diagram of binary to BCD. This is a circuit diagram of binary to BCD. Here we are having 4 inputs and 4 outputs for the following diagram. First one is the B3. The first input is from B3. We are getting 2 inputs. One is passed from the NOT gate. Further, for the second output B2, we are passing one of them output from the NOT gate, and from B1 the following term we transfer away. For the first D1, we take 2 AND gates. First AND gate is connected to the it gets 3 inputs from B3, B2 and B1, and from the second AND gate we take inputs from B3 and B1. The outputs of AND gate are passed from the NOR gate, and hence we get the output. For the second output, we take inputs from the B3, B2, and for the second AND gate we take the inputs from B2 and B1, and both inputs the both outputs from our AND gate are passed from NOR gate. And for third, we take 3 inputs from which are passed from AND gate. First input is from B3, B2 and B1, and for last output we transfer we take the inputs of both AND gates from B3 and B2, and it is passed from the NOR gate, and hence we get the fourth output.
This is the circuit diagram for the binary to BCD. Let's see the actual implementation of binary to BCD and their outputs. This is the logical circuit of binary to BCD, and we give the input of circuit A, B, C, D, and output is in BCD B4, B3, B2, B1 and B0. This is the output lights you can see here. Let's check the first condition of binary to BCD. Here the A, B, C, D is your 0. Let's see the output. Is your output is all is 0. B4, B3, B2, B1 and B0 is output is 0. In this condition is your A, B, C is 0 and D is 1. Let's see the output. Here in this output is your B4 is 0, B3, B2, B1 is also 0, but B0 is your 1. Here we see the another condition. A is your 0 and B, C, D is your 1, and let's see the output of this condition. You can see the output of BCD. B4 is your 0 and B3 is your 0, but B2, B1 and B0 is your 1.